Good morning, guys. Are you ready for an adventure?
Yeah!
Yeah, we're going for a little day mission to a secret beach, river. It's gonna be so much fun, eh?
Yeah!
Are you ready, Hopi? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Almost finished packing. Got our stuff, fishing rods, beach gear, wetsuits, got some water for showering, umbrella, chairs, got the sup on the roof. Oh, I mustn't forget the sup paddle. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Should we hit the road?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Alright guys, we're hitting the road. We are off to a secret beach for the day. We've got everything packed and we're gonna have a great time. Oh, I'm so excited. Who's excited?
Me! Me!
Hey! Hey!
Adventure!
Here we are, guys. We are getting close to the beach. Okay, we made it, guys. How's this for a special spot, eh? You ready to catch some fish, Gigi?
This one? That's the rival, so we don't want to give that to the fishes. There's the red eye.
Bringing up floats. Using a little piece of cuttlefish to make the floats. I don't know if it's going to work or not.
Where are you going?
So, the lights is finished. Got no gas. Luckily, I've got a flint in my bag. Some cotton wool.
Sand soft and
It's on.
the sand marinated. I think the camera away.
Oil on.
Pass me somehow, start shaping it. Make a little greedy. Nice, Shushu.
What do you want
Nice and
to
stop.
camera? We got a burry.
We've got our burry on the fire. We've got our bread. It's just about ready. Okay, show them nicely. Let's show them. Burry almost done. Bread's turned out nice. The first one was a bit too hot. This thing got a bit too hot, but now it's looking good, eh? Pity we didn't get a fish for the fire, eh? Yeah. Eli, are you hungry? You ready for some food?
Oh, you've got a sandy bun. Go rinse off.
Okay. Keep watching. How's your lunch there, H? What you got?
Tasty. Society balls and gherkin and shredded lettuce.
On a
Carrot
little
sticks.
homemade
On a little
flatbread. Beautiful. What you got, Jaja? It is a burry.
Stuck.
Burry on a stick. Is that yummy?
Mama,
Good. Dad's got
Ancient bones from old divide, echoes of the very first cry. Who made me hear and why?
guys,
Beneath the copper sun,
you having fun up there?
African idea.
So we had a great time at Mzamba. We've just been getting. Do you have fun? It was great. Getting teeth brushed, and the others are in bed, and everybody's been fed and cleaned and all of that. So yeah, just putting everyone down and just gonna have some food. But yeah, it was a good day, fun adventure.
We are
Mullets.
bad fishermen.